Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to find wallet address on Binance App. Whether you're looking to deposit funds or receive crypto from someone else, this guide will make it simple and quick for you. So, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the Binance app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a wallet icon there. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the wallet section of the app, where you can view all your assets. Now, look for the Add Funds option at the top that is in the yellow color. Simply click on it. And then small format will appear from the bottom. From the menu, click on the Onchain Deposit option. Once you are there, you will see large number of cryptocurrency. Now, click on the search bar at the top. And then type in the cryptocurrency you're looking for. For this tutorial, I'm going to search for Bitcoin. So I'll type BTC. Once you see Bitcoin listed, tap on it. After selecting your cryptocurrency, it'll take you to the deposit screen for Bitcoin. Now, this next step is super important. You'll need to select the correct network for your deposit. Binance will display a list of networks, such as Bitcoin network or others depending on the currency. If you're sending crypto from another exchange or wallet, make sure you select the same network that the sender is using. For example, if someone is sending you Bitcoin via the Bitcoin network, select that. If you choose the wrong network, your funds could get lost, so double check this step. Once you've selected the network, you'll be taken to your cryptocurrency deposit screen. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin wallet address displayed. You'll also see a QR code that you can share if needed. To copy the wallet address, tap on the two overlapping squares icon next to it. You can then share this address with the sender or paste it into another wallet or exchange if you're transferring funds yourself. And that's it. Every cryptocurrency on Binance will have its own unique wallet address, so if you need to receive a different coin, just repeat the same steps for that currency. By following this process, you can safely and easily receive crypto into your Binance account. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.